Stop uploading your private documents to third-party cloud API and paying monthly subscription fees. In this video, you will build a 100% private local retrieval augmented generation or RAG system right on your Windows machine. No open API keys, no data leaks, and zero cost. In this video, we will build a private RAG that answers questions from your document completely free, fully offline, and with zero API keys. Let me show you what we are going to build. Make sure you watch the video all the way to the end. You can follow every step. It's important, before we dive into the practical part, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. For the step 1, we need to install a Python 3.11 and Ollama engine setup. For that, let's dive into the step 1. Version control is critical here. LangChain strictly verifies compatibility on Python 3.11. Python 3.14 will break your environment. Don't use it. Run this single command in a PowerShell using a Windows package manager. I have already installed the Python version. I will just show you which version I have installed. For that, you have to use the command python -- version. We are verifying the correct version is installed. Now let's install the Ollama engine, the Power or LLM locally. We can use a PowerShell command over here. I will just copy-paste the command, and you just need to press enter. It will take all the required information from the web. As you can see, it started downloading from the web. It might take a couple of minutes. And the second option is that we can just directly go through the web. We'll just show you that also. As you can see, you can just directly download the Llama from here. Just click on download. And setup.exe file will be downloaded over here. You can just run and install it locally. It's getting downloaded, will take some time. You can see the downloading is almost done. It's downloaded. It's Ollama for Windows. Now it will get installed. Yes, now it's got installed. Let me check. Okay, I need to pull the Ollama models over here. First of all, we'll pull model using command. You can see the size of 2 GB. We are almost done downloading the model, and now it's pulling the manifest file for the model. As you can see, the size of 2 GB. It is success. We will pull one more model over here. It's a Nomic model using command for text-related things. After this, we need to set an environment. I've already created the environment and the specific folder structure over here. And for that, I've already have a PowerShell command. I will just show you over here, and will share all commands and codes in description. Will not run because I already have the structure over here. You can see the command over here. I will not paste this. Let's just cancel this. And I will just show you the folder structure which I have created. Here you go. You can see the folder structure which I have created that contains a directory for rag docs and chroma.db and Python configuration files. Let me check Llama list again. Now you have it. We have just pulled the LLM and executing data injection part has been completed. Make sure the Python logic files are in place and your PDF are inside the docs directory. We have already created indigest.py, app.py, config.py, query.py. All are the configuration files which I have created. I will attach the same in the description after completing this video. Ensure to watch this video till the end. We have one more thing to install. Let me go and grab it. We all need to install the language and community information for Streamlit. As you can see, it's already installed. We'll use this command to get it installed. You can see most of the files are already installed in my system. Make sure your Python logic files are in place and your PDFs are inside the docs directory. Then, execute the ingestion script to vectorize your documents. Python indigest.py. Just enter it. Just wait for some time. As you can see, we just got an output stored 191 chunks into chunks. I have already uploaded in docs. I just added a Gemini prompt guide. You can see it's a 4.2 megabytes. It has been separated into chunks like 191 parts over there. Now for the ultimate test, launch your Streamlit web interface. I've already added a command over here. Just click on enter. Here we go. And there you have it, your private local RAG application running completely offline with zero API costs. If you hit any bugs or PowerShell errors, drop a comment below. I personally reply to every single comment to help you fix it. Let me try the command over here. Tell me how to write a prompt to get response from LLM. We'll just press enter over here. You can see it's running at the back end. It's just thinking. Here you have the answer. You can see you got an answer how to write a prompt with persona, task, context, and format. All the information is present over here. We'll cover uninstallation and cleanup guide for RAG. First of all, we'll open the PowerShell and we'll just add the information over here for the local RAG. After that, we will try to activate the instance. This all information you need to add in PowerShell. You can see the environment is active now. First of all, we need to deactivate the environment. The environment is deactivated now. Now we will uninstall the Streamlit packages. Now Streamlit package has been uninstalled. Now we will verify whether the package has been removed successfully. You can see the package is removed. Now we will remove the project directory using rmdr command. All the commands will be shared in description for you. Just giving an error and remove the queue parameter from here. We can directly delete the same all from folder. We will remove the Ollama application. Ollama LLM, just click on that. You can see it has been deleted. These are the Ollama's model done. Let me check the list. We are verifying whether it's there or not. You can see no information is available over there. We'll just uninstall the widget all in case it's there. See, it's getting uninstalled. Pop-up window will also come here like this while it's getting uninstalled. Wait for some time till it gets uninstalled. Oh, it's done. That's great. RAG supported application files and application has been uninstalled. Thank you. Building this channel takes a lot of effort, and as a new creator, your support is what keeps us going. If this video helped you, please smash the like button to help the algorithm share this with everyone. Subscribe to join our growing community for more open source AI builds. Share this video with everyone. Check the description for full code reference. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next build.